Okay, for our next speaker, I'll be introducing to you our next speaker. She's all the way from Sweden. Our next speaker is a nurse by profession, and she is now in her Sapphire Elite Executive and doing this for part-time. And she's also a mother and a uh, travel incentive, and no other than our speaker for the opportunity of the I Am Worldwide, Mentor Ann Fortu. Mentor Ann.
Yes, hi everyone. Amazing morning everyone. Shout out to
Amazing
our
morning.
41 million viewers. Yes, amazing morning. I love you, whoever you are who said amazing morning to me. So mentors, everyone, I'd want to know
Hello,
wherever
good morning,
you
good
are.
evening here.
Wow, another mentor. Thank you. So mentors, I wanted to know where you are watching from. Yes, let's comment in our comment chat box below. I can see it right now. So let's shout out to Mentor Jamela Octaviano. I believe Mentor Jamela is in the Philippines, but she's wide awake right now. Mentor Mylene Olsen from Sweden. Mentor Rose watching from Abu Dhabi. So indeed we are international. Wow, I can see here Mentor Marie Esteva. She's watching from Cyprus, and our mentor Hina Razon from the Philippines. So thank you very much for everyone. Another mentor from Dubai, Mentor Raymond Nora. Wow, this is amazing. I can feel the energy vibrating. Okay. So mentors, before I start, I would like to encourage everyone to actively participate in the chat, because this would not be a presentation. I would like this to be a conversation, okay? So my part right now would be the amazing marketing plan or prosperity program of I Am Worldwide. And I want us to take part in this presentation. And before that, I would like to share my screen right now. So again, everyone, yes, welcome to the Home of Hope. So wherever you are watching from right now, Los Angeles or Lower Antipolo, my grand mentor Sam Palomo, shout out. So wherever you are watching from right now, feel so blessed because you have the internet, you have the amazing people that shared this opportunity to you. And if you do feel blessed, please comment down in our chat box, I am blessed. I am grateful. I am thankful that I am here in this presentation. So let's keep it coming. And I would like to share your comments again. So welcome everyone to the Home of Hope. Yes, health, opportunity, prosperity for everyone. We have heard a very good presentation from our mentor June Gan, my fellow kababayan in Romblon. So my father is also from Romblon and I'm a proud Romblonganon. So I'm Christian Alvarez Fortu. I'm 35 years old. So I'm a traveler. I'm a photographer by heart. And I'm a daughter of a beautiful 16-year-old. But behind that, there's something that had really affected my life story. And this is this rare illness called neurogenic bladder disease. And I am one of the testimony of the products that was recently being shared. So I had this illness that causes my bladder not to function. So I cannot pee. It causes for me to have infection all the time, like every 6 months. So imagine being sick, like automatically being sick every 6 months. So it has been part of my life, and I could not, it came to a point that I could not deal with it, but I had to move forward. So I have consulted doctors, and my treatment would only be antibiotic every day for the rest of my life. So can you imagine if you'll be on that situation, how do you feel? If you'll be the one having maintenance medication for your whole lifetime, how would you feel? Okay, so let us put ourselves in this situation, okay? And now, this is what I feel. Health is like a crown that the healthy wears, but only the sick can see. So if you are healthy, well, we envy you because it's like you have a crown that only us sick people can see. But then I had to move forward, like I told you a while ago, because I have a daughter and she is my deepest why. Her name is Nicolette, and she's 16 years old. So I have worked in a tertiary hospital in the Philippines. This is Lung Center. But however, the salary is very low. I changed my profession to a call center agent, gives me a higher salary, but the situation is worse because I have to work at night. Now, that gave me a very difficult situation because I had been diagnosed or had been advised for kidney removal. But with no savings in the bank and with this situation, I started with a platinum executive package in IM Worldwide. Why? Because of what you're seeing in your screen, the rat race cycle. So I want us to look into this even further. Now, if you are employed right now, have you ever felt the fear of not going to work? Even if you don't like to go to work, you still go. Why? Because you need to get an income to pay your bills. The main factor, the main reason why you don't want your work or you don't feel fulfilled with your work right now is the fear that you have because you have bills to pay and you have responsibilities. So what happens is you have to work to get an income to pay those bills. And of course, you feel stressed, you feel overworked. So thank God it's Friday. And then what will you do? Instant gratification. And sometimes we go beyond our income, which ends up having no savings in the bank. The worst case scenario is that you will have a loan. You will borrow money, and that will increase the fear. Okay? So now, after 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, or 40 years of your life, you end up being in the rat race cycle. But the good news is, here we are offering something that would actually make you break this cycle. And that is being from an employee, go to the other side of being a business owner. But the good news is you don't need an huge capital to start up an IM Worldwide business. And it has already been stated that we have a very good product. And if you have a good product, definitely you have a very good business. So with this, I was very blessed. From being a registered nurse, I'm now a nurse entrepreneur, Sapphire Elite executive, and a Jade account holder, which I will be mentioning in a little while. And what you're seeing right now in the screen is just the possibility that we, being an IM distributor, can also achieve. So I was able to achieve the Just For You bonus for platinum, gold, give me 5, which I will be able to explain to you in a little while. And I was able to be part of the top 20 of the company. And in God's perfect time, we will be part of the millionaire circle of IM Worldwide. So welcome everyone to the opportunity of IM Worldwide. In IM Worldwide, there's already a proven system, okay? Now, we all know that if you are gonna start up a business, you should have a system, you should have an idea. The good news is, in IM Worldwide, there's already a proven system. You just have to plug yourself in the system. Now, what are the simple, very basic steps that is doable and duplicable? That's why we here in Sweden is a proof that it is doable. And that this system that I'm going to explain to you has been done and has been proven. So first step is to avail. So what will you avail? Avail a package that's fixed for you, that will serve your purpose, okay? There are many options to choose from. I'm going to share in a little while. Now you have to share your experience. When you avail a package, you will get 100% worth of product. So you have to use it, of course, because we promote health. And then whatever you have experienced regarding this product, you have to share it. You have to recommend it. And we are naturally doing this every single day. If you wake up in the morning and you post something, that's already recommended. That's already sharing. So now you just have to maximize and be efficient in how you use your time. by sharing. Of course, you have to learn it because this is a business. But the good news is we are here to support you in your learning process. And definitely, if you're gonna do the business, you're gonna earn. So 4 simple steps: avail, share, learn, and earn. Now, what are the benefits of being part of I Am Worldwide? Now, if you choose to be an I Am Worldwide distributor, you will have 100% worth of your product as in return for whatever capital you put in. You will have lifetime discount, again, lifetime discount of all amazing products. You have an online tracking account that will be available in your mobile phone. We offer world-class training that in other companies or other industries, you have to pay for this, and it's not cheap, okay? But here in I Am Worldwide, you can just get it for free. We have marketing folders, lifestyle incentive like travel, car, house, and that. And I'd like us to look at this because this incentive are our basic dreams already. But here in I Am Worldwide, it will be given for you as an incentive only. And of course, our prosperity program. Now, let's talk about the capital or the wholesale packages that you can choose from. Now, the highest package and the best package in I Am Worldwide is a Jade package. Now, that would cost 5,000 US dollars. But look at this. What I wanted us to ponder upon is that having put in 5,000 US dollars and 100% of that capital will go back to US product, what business can you start up with this very minimal capital? If you would want to have a business that would earn millions, that definitely you have to put in millions of capital. But the good news is I Am Worldwide offers you an opportunity to start up a business with a very minimal capital. Yes, this is a very minimal capital because 5,000 US dollars in this industry, in this business, will give you a very high income potential. Now, we also have platinum, that's 2,600 US dollars, a gold, 1,100 US dollars, and a silver, 490 US dollars. Now, we have other packages that would be available for everyone. You just have to ask the mentor or the person that invited you right now to actually ask more about the different packages that would suit you. But of course, we want to offer you the best packages that I Am Worldwide offers. And basically, income varies depending on the package. Why? Because in a silver package, you will only have 10 ways to earn. But for gold, platinum, and jade, you have 11 ways to earn. Now let's go to these packages. In these packages, you will, again, like I said a while ago, you have options to choose from, and it will give 100% of your capital back. And of course, Jade is the best package because it has this buy one, take one up to 20,000 at 2,000 US dollars. So that means that if you buy like 200 boxes, you will get another 200 boxes for free. So definitely Jade is the best package. Now let's go to retailing. Who would not want to have a discount? Okay, for me, I will be using this lifetime. So for me, I really benefited from having this barley at a 50% discount. And if you would, people would ask you, so just imagine this. Someone asked you about the barley and wanted to use the barley. Okay, and you got it at a 50% discount. That will give you 100% profit. So for example, the barley is 30 US dollars. Okay, the barley is 30 US dollars, and you will just get it at 15 US dollars. Your profit would be 15 US dollars. So a scalar pendant such as what I'm using right now, this is 230 US dollars. So at 50% discount, you will just get this at 115. Your profit would be 115. And of course, you're just staying at home, sharing this on all your social media platform. So how amazing is that, right? And you will have this income potential by retailing. But wait, there is more. Because in I Am Worldwide, we offer the prosperity program. Now, if someone asks you, how can I do this business? Can I also have a discount? Or whatever you're doing right now, I would also want to try it because it's pandemic and people are searching for another source of income. So yes, if you refer someone and they get a package, depending upon the package and depending on your package, for silver, you will get 30 US dollars, gold 70, platinum 180, and jade is 400 US dollars. So this is unlimited. So you can refer as much as you want, okay? You can refer as much as you want. Now, let's go to an example. What if you have referred, actually the magic number here is 2. If you already know 2 people, you're good to go. And definitely, I know that you have really good friends, family members that you can help with regards to our product and to our marketing plan. So if you have 2 people, this is what will happen. This is where the magic begins. Okay, so this is you. You will have left sales team and right sales team. For example, let's use silver package. If you refer a silver package, you will receive 30 US dollars for every silver package that you refer. And now, since the system had seen that you have one on the left and one on the right, the system will now give you an additional bonus, which would actually be, depending on your package, but for here, it's silver. So for silver, additional 20 US dollars, gold 60, platinum 160, and jade is 200 US dollars. So now the system, again, had seen that you have one on the left and one on the right, then the system will give you additional 20 US dollars. Now, what if your friend A had referred someone and your friend B had referred someone as well? Will you have additional sales match commission? Now, the good news is yes, you will have additional 20 US dollars. And now that is the beauty of this industry, because even if your friend had referred this person and you don't know that person, you will still have additional bonus of 20 US dollars. So now, of course, you don't know just 2 people. You have another friend who wanted to sign up under you, and you will have another silver executive. And you just have to choose where to put them. Are you going to put them on your left team or you're on your right team? And now you put it on your left team, and your other friend will refer another one. So that would be another 20 US dollars. So would it be possible that you don't know these people already? The people that has been referred by your friend? Definitely, right? So can you stop these people from referring? Of course not, because the I Am Worldwide Pure Organic Barley is so powerful that it already sells itself. So these people on the left can refer 10 people and the right can refer 20 people. Now there will be another match of 10. So I Am Worldwide will pay you an additional 200 US dollars. But the good news is the remaining 10 from the 20 will just be waiting to be paired or to be matched. And now, what if your family would be on your left side and your friends, probably your friends will be on your right side, family from the Philippines or different countries. So I wish you can imagine how amazing this marketing plan is, because if, like for us here in Sweden, if we have partners in the Philippines and we help them to do this business and help them learn the business, even if we're sleeping in Sweden, the system, the business is still ongoing. And if it is possible for us, definitely it is possible for you if you sign up to be an I Am Worldwide distributor. Now, let's go to this slide, which shows the safety net of the company. Now, of course, I Am Worldwide has been computed already, and there's a safety net. Well, this is basically for the sales match only. I won't go in detail with this, but I would just like to show you the elite executive ranks, okay? In the elite executive ranks, the Sapphire, Ruby, Emerald, and Diamond, these are the ranks you cannot buy. You have to achieve this, you have to be promoted for this. And with this, your income potential goes higher, as what you can see on your screen, okay? And the good news about being an elite executive rank holder is that you have helped so many people already to earn also in I Am Worldwide. Now, this is where we will discuss the bonuses on top of everything, because there's so many marketing plan in I Am Worldwide, but I will not dwell in each and every one of them, but I'm gonna definitely give you the best of the best. Now let's go to this Give Me 5 bonus. This is available for those silver holder and higher package. Give Me 5 commission works like this. If you sell silver 2.0 wholesale package, I Am Worldwide will give 490 US dollar back to your account. How does this happen? This is you. You're a silver holder. You referred someone, and that is 30 US dollar per referral. So another referral, 30 US dollar, another referral, 30 US dollar, another referral. So in total, 5 referrals. That's in total of 150 US dollars. Additional bonus on sales match commission of 40 US dollars. So that in total would be 190 US dollars. And now, because you have achieved the requirements of 5 silver packages, now I Am Worldwide will give your capital back, which is 300 US dollars. In total, that is 490 US dollars by just referring 5 people. And then that has no time frame, and that is unlimited. Again, that is 490 US dollars. Now, I'd like you to think about this. Do you know 5 people? Okay. How many friends on Facebook do you have? And you just need to initially help 5 people. And of course, if you have other people you wanted to help, that is unlimited. It means that if you have helped another 5 people sign up to I Am Worldwide, and they also get a silver package, that would be another $490 in your account. And now, this is our most favorite part. So forget everything, but just focus on your Just For You. So the magic number here is 4. It's only available for Jade, Platinum, and Gold. So if you're gonna ask me, if you're gonna choose a package, you would rather choose a package from these 3: Gold, Platinum, and Jade. And that is why almost 95% of our team in Team Vikings are only Gold, Platinum, and Jade holder. So now, how does this work? Just a while ago in Silver, we said that you have to refer 5. But here, you need to refer 4 only, okay? So just for you. Now, just for you commission means that if you're a gold holder, you just have to refer 4, okay? Again, think about people who needs barley, those who have diabetes, high blood, history of cancer. Definitely you can help them. Those people who needed extra income, or those people who wanted to add additional cash flow, already have a business but wanted to add more in their source of income. Like Mentor Mylene said, if your wallet is full, why not add another wallet, okay? So now, find 4 people to help. Everyone, the direct referral will be 70 US dollars. So in total, that is 280 US dollars. For everyone, 70, in total, 280. Now you will have additional 60 US dollars. So in total, that is 120 US dollars. If we add up all this, you will already have 400 US dollars, and that's the commission only. But then I Am Worldwide, because you have already achieved the 4 referral, will give you 800 US dollar money back. In total, wow, this is 1,200 US dollars. It has no time frame, meaning every month you can refer. After 4 months, you have 120, or every year, if you wanted to refer once every year, then after 4 years, you have 1,200 US dollars, and it is unlimited. Okay, now, of course, if you have an unlimited bonus, won't you want to maximize that, right? If you can refer 8, if you can refer 16, why not? And it has no time frame. So 1,200 US dollars for gold, and that is 3,040 US dollars for platinum. Of course, it has a higher capital, so higher earning. And for Jade, that's 6,000 US dollars. So if you want to really maximize the income potential of I Am Worldwide, you would go for Jade. Because as you can see here, you just have to refer 4 people and then you already have $60. So now I would want to ask you, mentors, what would you, if you would really, really want a package, what would that be? What is the best package of I Am Worldwide? So let's comment there. And what just for you do you want? Do you want gold just for you, platinum just for you, or jade just for you? Right? So, okay, I can see people who are commenting. Congratulations, because definitely you will get that just for you. And on top of everything, I Am Worldwide offers travel incentive every 3 to 4 months. And these are not just ordinary travels, but very luxurious travel. But right now, we don't offer this because of the pandemic. And everyone who wanted to be a travel achiever, I would also encourage you to comment also down below, I am the next travel achiever, because I would really want to be the next travel achiever. And these are our mentors from brothers and sisters from Africa who had achieved from Africa going to the Philippines as travel incentive. And on top of this, we also have this lifestyle incentive in every 12 months. I Am Worldwide would look into the sales of yourself and your team. And if you have hit the mechanics that is indicated here, and you are actively buying 3 barley every month without fail for 12 months, and then you hit the requirements, every year also, I Am Worldwide will give you a lifestyle incentive. It can be a car. Initially, it can be a car. It can be house and lot, or you could get it for as cash. So I would, when I heard about this, I was really looking into the fact that when I was working, we only get grocery every 12 months. But here, I Am Worldwide offers that if you have achieved this mechanics, and definitely you will be able to achieve this if you do the I Am Worldwide business continuously. I Am Worldwide will give your incentive every year, not just once, but every year. So how amazing is that, right? So these are what you can see on your screen are our achievers from Africa. As you can see here, there are achievers one time for Just For You bonus for gold, and also twice. That's already a proof that it is unlimited and that it can be done. Now, what we can see here, give me 5 achievers from our team. Mentor Gloria Erickson, she's employed with 2 jobs doing I Am Worldwide part-time. Just for, give me 5 achiever. Mentor Lorna Hamren, a social worker and a preschool teacher here in Sweden, part-time I Am Worldwide also, and also give me 5 achiever. And our other achievers, Mentor Mylene Olsen, engineer by profession, Mentor Jonah Paler, teacher by profession, and Mentor Gemma Shinbald, caregiver here in Sweden. And as you can see, they are only doing I Am Worldwide part-time. And they have done what I was discussing a while ago. And for our Just For You achiever, we have Mentor Tequila Hegerstrand from the Fiji Islands, now staying in Sweden. Our mentor, I know she's here right now, our mentor from Cyprus, OFW, and part-time doing I Am Worldwide, also a Just For You achiever. Our dear mentor, Damola Alalu from Nigeria, staying here in Sweden already, 60,000 bonus achiever. And our mentor, Lorna Hambren. Mentor Lorna is already 65 years old, but she is our inspiration in this business. She's doing this also part-time. And of course, our dear mentor, Victoria Rempilio, newest Sapphire, Platinum, Just For You achiever. And mind you, she was able to achieve this during the pandemic, a bonus of $3,180 and continuously earning. And of course, my partner and mentor, Mentor Michelle Carlson, registered nurse in the Philippines, caregiver here in Sweden, part-time doing I Am Worldwide, have achieved 100,000 or the platinum Just For You, gold Just For You, traveled to Hong Kong for free by I Am Worldwide, achieved the Sapphire Elite Executive rank, and now also achieved the Give Me 5 bonus, or yes, Give Me 5 bonus. And on top of that, she now has a growing team CEO worldwide. So that is Mentor Michelle Carlson of Team Vikings. And of course, our mentors, I know Mentor Sam is here with us. The reason why there is I Am Worldwide in Sweden, Mentor Sam and Rachel Palomo have achieved also Jade Just For You bonus, and they will soon be, we claim, first Diamond Elite in our team. So Mentor Sam and Rachel Palomo. So this is now our growing team here in Sweden. And of course, we claim that, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future, in Jeremiah 29:11. Again, I Am Worldwide is for everyone. So lastly, I'd like us to imagine this, okay? I'd like us to ponder upon the I Am Worldwide business capacity. If this is you, and in your first year in I Am Worldwide, you will exert 100% of your effort, and then 0% will be coming from your organization because you're starting to build it as you're doing the business, okay? In your second year, 80% of your effort, but already 20% is coming from your organization. And that will also give you 20% income coming from your organization. On your third year, 60% from you, 40% from your organization. Fourth year, 40% from you, 60% in your organization. Fifth year, 20% from you, 80% from your organization. And look at this. On your sixth year of doing I Am Worldwide, you will give 0% effort, and the 100% effort is from your built organization, will give you 100% income profit or income potential. But then let's compare it to the employment world. Even on your first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, sixth year, and even if we count 10, 20, or 30 years, it will still be 100% of your effort. That's why, according to Uhuru Kenyatta, if you really love your children, get a business, not a job. Because when you die, your children cannot inherit your job, but they can definitely inherit your business. In fact, if you die on the job, your boss will replace you before your burial. If your family lived in the company house, they will kick them out before they can say anything. So when you close from work, don't go and watch television. Go home and think of a business idea. So congratulations, everyone, because you are here in this presentation and you have heard the business idea of I Am Worldwide. And now to close this is a $1 billion advice from Richard Branson, net worth $4.1 billion US. If someone offers you an amazing opportunity, but you're not sure you can do it, say yes, then learn how to do it later. So again, my name is Christian A42 and a proud I Am Worldwide Team Vikings. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anders.
Thank you, Mentor.
Thank you, Mentor. That was the best.
Mentor.
Thank you, Mentor Christian, for that
Thank you very much.
Presentation and very clear presentation of the opportunity of I Am Worldwide. So, my dear friends, I hope that everyone amazed with the presentation of our product and the comp plan of the I Am Worldwide. I hope